Hi there. In this video, we're going to put together a fun retro card. So let's get into it. I have it piled up. Over here is the smaller pieces that go onto the telephone. It's in shimmery teal color. Okay. So I guess we'll put together the phone first. I didn't get all the die cuts out. Alright. So it's a rotary phone. Which is pretty cool. Alright. So we'll put it together. Small pieces. Alright. Whoops. Now I gotta make sure I got it on the right side. Alright. This side has the sticker on it. Okay, so we have the phone, I don't know what those would be, handle things? I don't know. Alright, next is this. So it goes right there. Alright. Next is to glue down the rotary dial. Just adding a little bit of glue in between the circles. I should probably use my tweezers, but I forgot to get them out. Alright. And then there's little bitty pieces for the feet. See how tiny? So that goes right there. Alright. Get the other tiny piece. I'm going to turn it so I don't have to. Oops. Alright. Then this piece says call me. And it's not call me Alabama. If you live in Alabama, you know what that's from. Alright. I'm going to turn it back. And the Call Me goes in the center of the rotary dial. Alright. And then we have the other layers. It says, I'm just a phone call away. And then the phone says, call me. So we're done with the telephone. So the next piece is to put the gray on the black on its matting layer. So put glue on it. Alright. Make sure you have the matting layer the same way as the piece, as the gray piece. It's easy to get them flipped separate. I mean, not separate. Get them flipped opposite of each other, which they won't line up. Alright. Done with that. Now we'll glue our paper pattern to the black matting. This is a digital paper that I printed out. I wanted a retro looking one, so this was the best I could come up with. Well, it was the one I liked the best. Let's put it that way. Brayering it so it gets a good adhesion. Over here needs some glue. Alright. I'm trying to decide if I want a pop dot or not. Trying to see if I have my pop dots out. I don't think I do. Oh, there they are. They're under my keyboard. Alright. So I'm trying to decide if I want to pop dot this. I know I'm going to pop dot the telephone. I guess so. Might as well. All right. Ugh. Most time's gonna be wasted getting these off. Probably should have just glued it down. But it looks pretty nice, popped up and everything. Alright. So, I'm going to try to figure out if I got straight enough, far enough away. That'll work. Alright. And then the phone. It's going to be pop dotted up. Alright. It's adhesive foam tape. I say pop dot because that's what they were called back in the day. When they first came out, they were called pop dots because they were circular. But now we got squares and other shapes. Okay. And that is our card front. I didn't cut another card base. I'll do it off camera. I'll be sharing the file in Cricut Explorer Maker and More Facebook group if you want to make it. And also provide the links to the digital paper that I used in case you want to make an exact copy of it. Well, you can't really, you don't have this shimmer paper, but you know, use a similar color. Thank you for watching.